I'm going to show you how to make some cleansing grains from herbs that I grew in my own garden. I'm going to use some calendula petals, lavender, different like basil and mint and different things like that, oregano, and some black rice to give it that scrubbing power. All you do is put the herbs in a coffee grinder with the rice. And that's it. So after you've ground everything up, you can make your scrub. I'm going to mix it with a little crushed up apricot, like that. Add a little agave syrup. You can use honey. And just like a pinch of the grains, like a teaspoon maybe. Rub it all together. That looks so good. And you apply this to your clean, slightly damp face. You want to wash your face first with warm water, kind of towel it off so it's just damp, and then apply this scrub and just gently move your fingers in little circles to scrub your face. And after you're done, just rinse it off with warm water, follow with cold water, tone, and moisturize. And that's it. I hope you like it. Give it a try.
Thank you.